welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all my top 5 favorite fake L.o.L surprise dolls. Number 5 would have to be the L.o.L Surprise Miraculous dolls. Now on the box it does have the Miraculous Ladybug on the front. I did open Cat and Eeyore, and I also opened Antibug. I'm going to go ahead and set them right here so you all can see what they look like. And I want to say thank you so much to Bella and Hammy Dreams because they sent me this Ladybug doll. I am super excited to add her to my collection. So that is the Miraculous Ladybug dolls. And I'm going to show you a comparison of a real L.o.L surprise doll. So they're actually about the same size. And number 4 on my list would have to be these really cool fake L.o.L surprise carrying cases. So you can carry your L.o.L surprise dolls anywhere you go. So guys, I actually have one of these on the way and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Number 3 on my list would have to be these L.o.L surprise Barbie Size dolls. And this is what they look like. They do come in an L.o.L box. Here is the back, and they are scented. This one is supposed to smell like watermelons, and this one is supposed to smell like grapes. Here is a real L.o.L surprise doll, so you can see the difference. And they do look like L.o.L surprise dolls in the face. And number 2 on my list would have to be this fake L.o.L surprise airplane. Now guys, I am looking for this airplane because I really want it. I think it's super cute. It kind of reminds me of an LPS airplane, but I really like that it has L.o.L surprise pictures on it. Now I'm super excited because number 1 on my list would have to be this fake L.o.L surprise makeup set. So in this makeup set, it comes with a suitcase full of makeup, and it comes with a giant L.o.L surprise doll, and she is super cute. So let me go ahead and open it up. So here's what she looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and set her on this couch, and then I'm gonna grab my real L.o.L surprise doll, and I'm gonna show you the size comparison. So as you can see, she is really big, and she did come with her suitcase, and it is full of makeup. The makeup is super colorful, it's really pretty, and you can actually use the makeup for the doll or you can use the makeup for yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching my top 5 favorite fake L.o.L surprise dolls, and make sure you check out Adulting with Children because they're uploading the top 5 worst L.o.L surprise dolls, and I will actually pin their video down in my comments below, so make sure you check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!